Hello guys, so if you're looking to sell on Temu, if that's the case, you're from the right place. Because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do that. Now, firstly just simply go to a Temu application or a Temu app. Now from there I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now when you will be on the sign up page of Temu, just simply sign up as a trusted seller on Temu, addressing yourself as a cross brand merchant, or just simply get registered as a verified seller on the partner company of their platform. So after you do that, your store and the products in your store will be shown online in their website. How to actually do this? So firstly what you have to do is simply join Temu as a verified seller on Pinduoduo, or you can just simply sign up as a seller in the Temu application on your Android or iOS device. And after that just simply click next, and after that you will have the merchant registration page. So fill up all the details like your address, your business details, etc. After you fill up all the details, just simply submit the form, and after that it will be all done. So it will take up to 6 to 7 days for Temu support team to get back to you regarding your verification for your shop. So just simply wait for 6 to 7 days, and after that your shop will be online and you will be able to sell on Temu. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.